Tell them I'm the realest. Then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice.
Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hello my cutie popping boss queen. How are you doing? How are you doing? I know you're looking cute. Like, look at you. You are looking cute. Don't let anybody tell you nothing. Guys, thank you so much for always tuning in. I always appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I feel like screaming I love you guys because I really do. Today, your girl, your cutie pie is here. We are going to be talking about contact lens. Contact lens. A lot of people always ask me, Chichi, are you wearing contact? What color is your contact? What blah blah blah. What brand is your contact? Where is your contact lens from? I love your contact lens. Are you wearing contact lens? Yes, most times I wear contact lens because I love my contact. I love my contact lens so much. I've been wearing contact lens since I was like 18. Contact lens. Yes, I love contact lens. I feel like if you do your makeup and you want to add that Barbie look, you know, and you have this beautiful contact lens, it's going to just pop your makeup and bring your makeup towards another level. So yes, so this is why I love contact lens. Also, some of my brides, they love to wear contact lens on their wedding day to just give it that extra like something, you know what I mean? So contact lens just add a little bit something to your overall look, you know what I mean? Like that sexy kind of, you know, overall look. Yeah. So today I have this contact lens from WhereColor. WhereColor. So it's pronounced wear, like wear and color. It's just like wear. If you hear, you think it's wear, to wear something, but it's actually wear. Like where are you? WhereColor. So yeah, that's it today. So let me open it for you guys. So I'm wearing one of their contact lenses. I'm going to zoom in later because I'm wearing one of them. Okay, I'm going to zoom in later. But first of all, let me show you guys what is inside. I know you guys have been looking like, Chichi, what hair are you wearing? Like, my hair is from Junada hair. I'm going to put the link to Junada hair in the description box because you guys will like, this hair is popping as well. Your eyes is popping, but your hair is also popping. Okay, so WhereColor sent me this contact lens. They came in this nice, cute box. Can you see it? Nice, cute. Like, look at this. Look at the packaging. Like, look at this packaging. So cute. When it was delivered, the first thing I noticed was like, okay, the packaging is cute. This is how it came. So it came like so in these boxes. And this small boxes as well. Small boxes. And okay, oh guys, okay, I'm gonna pull my hair away. I think they actually sent me this. So when you're showing the contact lens, you pull your hair away. Thank you, WhereColor. I love this. Okay, so oh my god, look at this. Look at this. This is like, you know, when you go out, like me myself, you know, when you go, like myself, when I go, I'll always take the pack, you know, my contact lens pack, just in case if I want to remove it. So I'll put in the solution, you know. It's good, like WhereColor have this cute box. Like, look at that. This will make you want to wear contact lenses because you have this cute storage. You always want to wear contact lenses. So I have two cute boxes. I also have this. Okay, so I think this is a bag if you want to put your contact lenses here, like your solution, your contact lens and everything. And yeah, that's it. And I have this. So what is here? Let's see. You guys, I was so excited for this collaboration because when there's a collaboration of something that I actually love, like it's something that I always wear, so I'm like, okay, it's so easy to be like, yes to this collaboration. Like, yes. I love contact lenses. Okay. If you haven't tried contact lenses before, I think you should try one. You can start with a natural one. And then later on, you can try something, you know, more colorful. Oh, okay. Guys, look at this. What have I got here? WhereColor. Oh my God, guys, when I went to select my, oh my God, Chichi. Guys, look at this cute container. So what it is here, this is a container and there's another container inside. Like, look. So here, you can store your contact lens. When you take it off, you put your solution here. And also they have this little thing just to put, you know the solution comes in big, you know, plastic. This is like a travel side, like when you're traveling, like on the plane, you know, you can just put a little bit of solution here. You put it here. Okay, this is something else it has, yeah. This tweezer thing, yeah. A lot of people use it for their contact lens, but I don't use these tweezers for my contact lens. A lot of people, I saw a lot of people online, they always use this for their for their contact lens. Me, I'm a pro. I use my fingers, okay? Even with my long nails, I can still wear my contact lens. Like, I'm good like that. So I don't need these tweezers, okay? But you can use the tweezer or you can use this one to just take it like this and put it like this. Look at this one, so cute. So you have mirror, people. Oh my god, this is so handy. You have mirror. Because one thing, oh my god, this is so, I'm gonna use this like forever and ever. Like WhereColor, I love you guys. This is so thoughtful. Like anytime I want to wear my contact lens or when I want to check something, like I want to like just, you know, adjust my contact lens if it's not positioned properly, if it has moved, I always want mirror. Like I just wish I have everything. This has everything. You have your mirror, you have your solution here, you have your container here. Oh, I like cute. This is cute. Okay, so yeah. Ooh, contact lens. Oh my god. So some of the contact lens came in bottle. Wow. Okay, people. This one came in bottle. So this is how it came. So some of them comes like so. Okay, this is how most contact lens comes. So this one came like so. The one I'm wearing is blue. This one is pink. Okay, so let's try. So now I have 4. I'm gonna zoom it in now and we can check it out. Okay, you guys make sure you let me know which one you prefer. So I'm gonna start like 1, 2, 3. So this one will be 1 because I'll be showing you guys this one first, and then 2, 3, 4. Let me know your favorite in the comment section. Also, you all check WhereColor contact lens out. I'm gonna put a link to WhereColor in the description box. So open the description box if you want to buy WhereColor contact lenses. Okay, they ship worldwide, so anywhere you are, anywhere in the world, they will ship it to you. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're United Kingdom, America, anywhere you are, they will ship it to you. Okay, and they have a lot of colors. Okay, I only chose these colors because I want to try something different. You guys, you know, I usually wear like natural color. So when WhereColor asked me to go and choose contact lenses, I chose the one that's a little bit like popping. Okay, not that they don't have natural ones, so you can also check if you want more natural subtle ones. You know what I mean? If you want natural ones, like something like a little like boom, you can check them out. I only chose this one because I want to try something different. Okay, so let's get testing. Guys, I look cute. Let me know if you think I look cute. This I look cute on me. Okay, I am popping, I am slaying. Is a frontal and I installed this myself. Nobody can tell me nothing. Okay, maybe this is why they gave me this, because they know Junada hair is baby poo. Whew. So people, this is blue. Okay, remember guys, before you start applying your contact lens, make sure you wipe your hands or wash them. Okay, I've already washed my hands. I just want to wipe them again, you know, because I use my fingers like I said. Okay. So this is my contact lens and this is my eyes. Okay, you guys, I'm not used to wearing contact lens with my makeup on. Usually I put it on before I do my makeup. Usually I do my contact lens before my makeup because it allows the contact lens to sit. So when you wear your contact lens, you give yourself a few minutes, okay, because it will have to, you know, set properly. Okay, my god, this is pink, people. This is nice. I love pink. Pick it like so. Let's do it. Like I say, wear your one before your makeup because you're not expert like me. We are expert, okay? Ooh. Oh wow, this one is statement. This one, everyone and their mom would definitely know you're wearing contact. You see why I say to wear your contact before your. You see why I say wear your contact before your makeup, because sometimes a little bit of tears can drop. Oh my god, this is cute. Oh wow. This is cute. Okay guys, this one is turquoise. Very turquoise. Turquoise color. And it's cute as well. I love. Guys, ignore this little water coming down. It's natural, it's normal. Sometimes you drop because sometimes there's water inside. Remember, it's coming from a solution as well. So yeah. But the thing is, if you're wearing makeup and your makeup is puffy like me, even though the thing comes out, my MAC foundation powder will sink it in. So later on, it's just dry and you will not see anything. But only when it's a lot and it has this dent, I can use a little bit of powder to touch up. But yes, that's it. But always wear it before you actually do your makeup. Okay? I always wear them before I apply my makeup. I always wear them for my bridal swap before I apply their makeup because I don't want story. But yeah, this is it. This turquoise is nice. Which is your favorite? I think my favorite would be the second one because it's kind of brownish. But they say it's pink, but it's brown to me. But I like that one as well. And I also love this one. But yeah, let me know which is your favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let me know. I'll put all the links to all the contact lens mentioned in this video. I'll put all their links in where? In the description box. Love you guys. Love you guys. Also, let me know if you guys wear contact lens. If you have ever worn contact lens, or if you like them, or if you're just this kind of person that don't like putting anything in your eye, because some people don't like wearing anything. Like anything, they don't like putting anything in their eyes. And also, you can also buy prescription. I forgot this part. If I can buy prescription from them. So you can buy prescription. If you wear glasses, yes, you can buy prescription colored contact lens from WhereColor. Okay, so everyone is covered, everyone is sorted with WhereColor. You're good to go. Okay, thank you WhereColor for this collaboration. I love my contact lens. You guys make sure you guys check them out as well. Okay, bye guys.
I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice, from my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes one time, say she know one